So I put myself to do 30 days of walking to see if I'm going to lose weight. Hmm. I'm going to tell you exactly what happened in the 30 days and how everything unfolded. It did not go as I planned. No, it didn't go as I planned, but I will tell you exactly what happened. There are some things that people don't tell you. All what they keep saying is, oh, lose 15 kg in how many days? Do this one, cut out carbs, cut out this one. Well, here I will tell you how the whole 30 days went. Okay? Hi, my name is Idy AK. If you're just seeing my video for the first time, I am here walking every day, not just to lose weight, but to clear up my mind as I rebuild my life. So stick around, hit the follow, subscribe, and let's get talking. Let's jump right into the gist of today. So let me set the scene. This was not me like trying to do some New Year resolution or just trying to, avoid going to the gym. This was just me trying something simple. I wanted something simple. I wanted something I could repeat even when I'm tired, even when the kids are like, Mommy, 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 I can still do and not feel, burnt out or just feeling guilty. I know I wanted to do something that I can just do whenever I can do it, right? So I set out a simple, very nonsensical task of walking every single day. So I'm going to tell you week by week of how it went. Week one, hmm, week one was the gingering week. Week one was when I was like so hyped up. I said to myself, I'm going to get new trainers. I'm going to get comfortable trainers. I'm going to get simple, easy, light wears that I can just walk and not worry about. I'm going to get water. I'm going to get a gym bag. I was so hyped up. Early in the morning, I'm out walking. In the evening, I'm walking. So week one always feels like that. Week one is when you're hyped up. You know you're going to do it. Okay, so now week two, that was when the challenge started. Or more. That was when I started asking myself question. Hmm, who sent me? Oh, ID, who sent you to do this one? And some days during week two, I would just not want to go anywhere. But what really helped me is I would keep my trainers by the door and just, get myself hyped up the day before. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So week two is like the challenging phase. Week three, week three is when I started going on the scale. I was always on the scale. What's going on? Why have I not lost weight? What is happening here? Hey, the scale did not move. That scale will not move in week three. I think I had just about, maybe it moved like 1 kg or two. I can't really remember. If I see it, I'll insert the video or a picture of it. And then week four came. Hey, week four was when I noticed the shift. Week four was when I saw that my clothes were not fitting like before. I saw the gaps. I was like, hey, the energy. I'll have so much energy. And I'm like, why did I not start this soon? Why did I not start this soon? Look, oh, it's very, walking is one of the easiest exercise that you can do, and one of the, you know I don't even know how to put it, the gingering, the weight loss is there, right? And another thing I noticed, hmm, my cravings reduce, my sugar cravings reduce, even the way I was snacking wait, let me flip my hand is hurting. Yeah, my like I was saying, my sugar cravings reduce, the snacking reduce. I said to myself, why did I not start this soon? Why? If you're still sleeping on this, get up and walk, darling. Get up and walk. Your body, your mind, everything. What did I not tell you about my moods? That one was like a miracle because I was struggling with my moods. I told you guys now I lost my source of income. I was so down. I was struggling with my moods. The walking just changed it for me because look, like now when I go out, I walk out. Yeah, I just walk around, listen to the birds, listen to cars, say hello to people. It changes something. It changes something. Seriously, it does change something. And did I tell you about my bloating? Hey, my bloating reduced. So if you're one person that struggles with feeling bloated, start just get up and walk. my bloating reduce. And another honest thing, let me be honest with you, the weight loss, if you're expecting a miracle, like if you are expecting to lose like 10 kg, 15 kg within 3 months of working, it's not going to work. But if you're expecting that over a long time, like say 6 months, 1 year, if you eat right, sleep right, and cultivate a lot of what is it called into working. It's not just working. You have to eat well, you have to sleep well, you have to also be consistent. That is when you see these rapid changes, right? So get up and waka. I don't know, the end, I love walking. It's now like a part of me. I so much enjoy walking. I want you to enjoy it too. I want you to you will thank me, or you will come back and say, ID, who is this Idy AK? Why did you not come to my space before now? You will enjoy it. I bet you will love it. You will love it. Yes, I'm serious. So this has taught me that waiting for the right time is not really, it's not it. Don't wait for the right time. Decide today to get up and go out and walk, right? What else did it teach me? It taught me that consistency pays. It taught me that I shouldn't be looking into fixing my mind into numbers, right? I should look at the bigger picture, the bigger goal, the end result. If all I've said resonates with you a little, just a little bit, I want you to do me a favor. Go for a walk today. Any day you're finding this video, just go for a walk. And if you want a handheld situation, like you don't know where to start, I've got a free guide for you. Check in the description. It's a free 7-day walking reset guide. It's going to show you and tell you exactly what to do and how to go about it. Like my face and you like my vibe, click subscribe, come back here every week. Yeah, I'm on fire. I'm dropping videos back to back, 2 weeks, sorry, 2 videos per week. I will be doing that for you, my bestie. So come back here every week, like, share, subscribe, follow me on all social media platforms. I'm there. You're gonna see Idy AK working every day, gingering you people to work. Okay. Remember, be healthy and do healthy. I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye. Let me continue walking. See ya. Bye. Oh, I forgot to let me show you my drip. Let me show you what I'm wearing today to work. Ooh. That's how simple I am.